Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the labor inspection process. The labor inspection process is a systematic and structured procedure conducted by government authorities to ensure compliance with labor laws and regulations in a workplace. The process typically involves the following steps. 1. Planning. The labor inspection agency determines which workplaces to inspect, based on various factors such as risk assessment, complaint-based inspections, or random selection. 2. Notification. The employer is usually notified in advance about the inspection, although surprise inspections can also be conducted. The notification includes the purpose, date, and time of the inspection. 3. Entry and introduction. The labor inspector arrives at the workplace and introduces themselves to the employer or their representative. They explain the purpose of the inspection and provide identification. 4. Opening conference. The inspector holds a meeting with the employer or their representative to discuss the scope and objectives of the inspection. They may also request relevant documents such as employment contracts, payrolls, and safety records. 5. Walkthrough. The inspector conducts a physical inspection of the workplace, examining various aspects such as working conditions, safety measures, employment practices, record keeping, and compliance with labor laws. 6. Interviews. The inspector may interview employees, either individually or in groups, to gather information about their working conditions, wages, hours of work, and any concerns or complaints they may have. 7. Documentation review. The inspector reviews the employer's records and documents related to employment, such as payroll records, timesheets, employment contracts, and safety records. They check for compliance with legal requirements. 8. Findings and observations. Based on the inspection, the inspector identifies any violations or non-compliance with labor laws and regulations. They document their findings, noting both positive practices and areas that require improvement. 9. Closing meeting. The inspector holds a final meeting with the employer or their representative to discuss the inspection findings and observations. They may provide recommendations for corrective actions and timelines for compliance. 10. Follow-up. The labor inspector may conduct follow-up visits to ensure that the employer has taken the necessary corrective actions to address any violations or non-compliance identified during the inspection. 11. Enforcement. In cases of serious violations or persistent non-compliance, the labor inspector may take enforcement actions such as issuing fines, penalties, or legal proceedings. I encourage anyone who believes that they may have a complaint or violation of the law to report it to the labor inspectorate. By working together, we can ensure that all workers are protected. Thank you.